IELTS listening matching questions, tips and strategies. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to ace the IELTS listening test? Today we're discussing matching questions, one of the trickiest parts of the listening section. But don't worry, with the right tips and strategies, you'll handle them like a pro. Let's get started. Understanding the question format. First, let's understand the format. In matching questions, you'll be given two lists of information. Your task is to match items from one list, like speakers, topics, or descriptions, with items from another list based on what you hear in the audio. These questions test your ability to follow the conversation and pick out relevant details. Sounds challenging? Stick with me. I've got you covered. Read the instructions carefully. Always read the instructions carefully. The instructions will tell you how many answers you need and exactly what to match. Take a moment to fully understand them before the audio starts. You don't want to miss this crucial step. Skim the options before listening. Next, skim the options. Before the audio begins, quickly go through the list of options. Look for keywords like names, places, or dates. These can act as hooks while you're listening. It's all about being prepared to match the details efficiently. Watch for synonyms and paraphrasing. Here's a vital tip. IELTS loves to use synonyms and paraphrasing. What you hear in the audio might not be an exact match with the options. For example, the audio might say delighted, but the option could use happy. Be ready to match the meaning, not just the words. Track speakers or sections. If the question involves identifying speakers, track who is saying what. Listen carefully at the start of the conversation to figure out each speaker's role or viewpoint. This will save you from getting confused later. Listen for tone and context. Sometimes tone and context are the key to finding the right match. For instance, if a speaker sounds uncertain, that might clue you into an answer about doubt or hesitation. Always pay attention to how something is said, not just what is said. Eliminate unlikely matches. Another great strategy is to eliminate unlikely options. As you listen, cross off any options that clearly don't match. This will narrow down your choices and make selecting the correct answer easier. Stay focused. Finally, stay focused. Matching questions often cover a large section of the audio, and the details might not follow the order of the options. Stay sharp from start to finish to catch every relevant detail. Pro tips for matching questions. Now let's talk pro tips to boost your performance. Underline keywords. Mark important details in the question to stay focused during the audio. Beware of distractors. Don't fall for misleading details. They're designed to confuse you. Practice with real tests. Familiarize yourself with the format using official IELTS materials. Use your prep time wisely. Use the time before the audio starts to prepare mentally and analyze the questions. Review your answers. If time allows, double-check your answers to ensure they logically match the audio. Key takeaways. To recap, here's your game plan for IELTS matching questions. Understand the question format. Read instructions carefully, skim the options for keywords, watch for synonyms and paraphrasing, track speakers and sections, listen for tone and context clues, eliminate unlikely matches. Stay focused throughout the section. With practice and these strategies, you'll master matching questions in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at www.ieltsworldly.com. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your IELTS preparation. Stay confident, practice hard, and ace your IELTS.